Welcome to this next video on clearing. Last time I showed you this one called the Macro Cosmic Purge, where we send a big FU to the universe. We don't really send it to the universe, but what we do is we let go of our frustrations and our anger and things like that, and we give it back to the universe to recycle. So we'd really do that one first, and then the next one we would do is to clean the inside of our body. We call that the Micro Cosmic Cleanse. And so for this one, we got to raise our hands up to heaven. Same kind of principle, but I'm going to sink and allow the hands to come down the side of my ears, down the side of my head this way. Then they're going to cross over my third eye, cross over my throat, come down the back of my neck, down in front of my body, so either side either side of the center line, over the nipples, down to the belly button, crossing over, coming out to the hips, and down the sides of the legs, down to the edge of the feet, coming around, lifting up, presenting the hands forward, asking the universe for more cleansing and clearing, sitting down the sides of the head, across the third eye, across the throat, clear the back of the head, down the front of the body, cross over the belts, down the side of the legs, and up and unfold. And we can repeat it in a flow movement. So in a flow state, it would be You can even simplify it down. If it's too much for you to remember, you can literally come down the sides, down, and present. This is the most common one I teach because it's easier to remember and it's a faster flow movement. Then slow it down, come back, push down to the earth to finish. Try that for 9 days, but do your macro and then your micro, and this is the micro. I'm Anthony Monteith, Chi Life Academy, a healer in every household.